Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. On the centennial anniversary of Jum'iyat Ulama Islam, a large, greatest congregation of the world will be held on 7th, 8th, 9th April in Azakhil Noshehra. Besides the greatest leaders of Muslim world, Hazrat Maulana Fazlur Rahman, Imam of Haram, Sheikh Abdul Rahman Al-Sudais, Muhtamim of Darul Ulum Deoband, Abul Qasim Nomani, President Jum'iyat Ulama Hind, Sayyid Arshid Madani, General Secretary Jum'iyat Ulama Hind, Sayyid Mahmood Madani, Pir Zulfikar Naqshbandi, and Janab Maulana Talha, the respectable son of Sheikhul Hadith Hazrat Maulana Zikriya Rahmatullah Alayh, and many other world famous scholars, theologians and jurists, and leaders of international Islamic movements will participate. I invite all of you, without any distinction of race, sect or cult, all lovers of Islam, freedom and democracy, to join us in this great, momentous and auspicious Ijtema. Thank you.